Hey guys, welcome to today's vlog. Ugh, this like strip of sun right here is annoying the crap out of me. But if I stay right here, you can't see it. So, I actually took you guys along with me to the gym. I wasn't gonna vlog like in the actual gym, but I took you in the car and stuff like that. And then I realized I didn't have a memory card in my camera, so no footage of that. But I just showered. I lathered myself in body cream. That's like so important to me, especially because I have eczema, which if you don't know that, then now you do. But I have like really bad, well, I have pretty moderate eczema. Flares up pretty often, and I don't know if you can tell, but like there's like these pink patches all along my arms and down here. So I actually need to go to the doctor again, but it flares up really badly when I exercise because, of course, I sweat when I exercise. So the sweat, you know, irritates and aggravates my skin, therefore I get itchy. And I try to do a ton of stuff to prevent it, but it is what it is. So if you have eczema and you have any tips, totally leave them down below. I've tried everything under the sun. I've been going to the dermatologist since I was about 8 years old, so I've been going for a majority of my life. Anyways, so usually after I do any kind of physical workout or activity, or I go to the beach or anything, I always use a Clarisonic. Like I come home and shower pretty much immediately. I go in with a Clarisonic to really cleanse my face and make sure that all the dirt, impurities, sweat, makeup is off my skin, because I'm not trying to have that. But lately, oh yeah, there's that little strip of sun. Lately, I've been like breaking out right here in this like contour-ish area is what I call it. And not really on this side, but I do sleep on this side. So I'm gonna wash my pillowcases, and what's kind of gross, like this honestly is actually really gross, but I need to be real with you. I don't wash my hair every single day, which that's not the gross part, but I don't wash my hair every single day. It's color treated, it's a little bit damaged, so I'm not trying to dry it out or strip it even more. Unless I sweat like I did today, there's really no need for me to wash it. Anyways, but I do put product in it, so you know, on top of the natural nastiness from just the world, there's product like dry shampoo or texturizing spray probably on my pillows, and then I rest my head on the pillows, therefore I break out. So after the beach, after the gym, I always go in with the Glam Glow Super Mud Clearing Treatment. This is the ginormous one. This was a limited edition one, and this is the Gravity Mud brush, but I have this one came with a double-sided brush, but because I have this Gravity Mud one, I don't really care to open the one that came with this just because I feel like I don't really need it. So I'm just going to put kind of like a thicker layer. I know you have to use just a small amount, but just because that's where I'm breaking out, I'm using like a little bit thicker of a layer. I have hella dry spots above my lip right here, so I definitely don't need to dry that area out even more. On my temples and then along my jawline, I also have like dry spots, or sometimes like is where my eczema flares up. So I do not put this mask there, but I pretty much put it everywhere else, T-zone, where I'm particularly breaking out. So I'm going to keep this on probably for like 20 to 30 minutes, let's be real. It says to keep it on for 5 to 20, but super extra, so I just keep it on for longer. I personally feel like my skin can handle it. It does tingle for me, for Tommy. I feel like it tingles for, I hope, everyone. But anyways, what I was gonna say is that for the rest of this vlog, other than me just sitting here talking to you guys, it's pretty much gonna be me cooking with my grandma and my cousin. So my cousin goes to school in San Francisco. I'm of course here in Hawaii, and then my grandma, we all live together. So my cousin came up with the idea that every time she's home for winter break, summer break, or whatever it may be, that we should cook with my grandma and find out how she makes, you know, her classic items, or just really everyday items. My grandma's very traditional, so she really thinks that we need to learn how to cook and provide for our family, and, you know, I think it's very true, but we also need to cook and make sure that we know how to feed ourselves and not rely on men. So I think it's really important for just everyone really to learn how to cook, to know what exactly goes into the foods that you eat, and therefore you can kind of customize the things that you eat. You can eat mabo tofu, but you don't actually have to have the pork in it. You can just have extra tofu, you can have faux meat, and you can have a ton of different things if you know how to make it yourself. But if you go out to eat, you may not be able to customize everything exactly how you want it, you know what I'm saying? So anyways, tonight is going to be the first meal that we're cooking, and we're cooking hamburger patties, which is fairly on the simple side, but I love my grandma's hamburger patties. So even though it's like a simple item, I really want to learn how specifically my grandmother makes it, you know what I'm saying? And that way we're going to film it, write everything down, of course, maybe eventually put together like a mini cookbook, but yeah, so that's what's happening today. I'm going to let this sit. I have some laundry to do, like I said. I'm going to wash my pillows, but also I wanted to show you, this is the cookie that I eat either before or after I work out. It is the Lenny and Larry's The Complete Cookie. Did not know this thing was so huge. Like, I'm holding it right next to my head, and look how huge it is. Like, this is my hand. It's huge-jangus. So, there's 10 grams of fiber per cookie. Fiber is amazing. There's no dairy, no egg, no soy, no GMO, and it's vegan. And there's 16 grams of protein. And I got the double chocolate one. So anyways, I'm going to stop talking now and let's do a little cleaning montage.
But your heart's colder. I will wait for you. The glitch in your eyes pulled me under, but I will wait for you. There's nothing left for me to do than run and act myself a fool. No point in trusting anyone. Your eyes of diamonds keep me up. Never thought that it could be this rough. No point in trusting anyone.
When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. Earth from a bird's eye view. You should grow feathers and see this too.
Can we make happy faces? No. No. How come? That was just true.
Pulls you straight down. When you want to get off the darkest ground, gravity pulls you straight down.
Alrighty guys, so that's gonna be it for today. Grandma taught us how to make the best hamburger patties on earth, but I still feel like hers is better, but it's okay, we'll practice.
Sirloin burgers.
Yes, we'll get better with time. But thank you for teaching us, Grandma.
Oh, my pleasure.
Yay! Love you.
Love you.